In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations on Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to make your website more dynamic or simply want to add some visual flair, using animations is a fantastic way to capture your viewers' attention and enhance your site's interactivity. So, let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through each step of the process. First things first, pick the element you'd like to animate. This could be a text box, an image, or any other element on your page that you want to bring to life. Once you've identified the element you want to animate, give it a click to select it. This action is the trigger for accessing all the customization features available in Wix Studio. Now, you'll want to direct your attention to the right side of your screen. Here, you'll notice an Inspector tab. If it's not already open, don't worry, it's easy to access. You just need to click the arrow icon, which will open up a wealth of settings and options for the element you've selected. It's okay to take your time here. Make sure you're in the right place before proceeding. Once you have the Inspector tab open, focus on the top section where you'll see a number of icons, each representing different tools and features you can use. Look for the icon that resembles a lightning bolt. This is the key to unlocking a variety of animation effects. Go ahead and click on that lightning bolt icon to proceed to the next step. At this point, you should see a menu that shows a plethora of animation options and effects. Wix Studio offers a diverse selection, from subtle fades to dramatic entrances, and each brings a unique feel to your website. While exploring, consider what kind of vibe you want your site to convey, and pick an animation that matches that vision. Once you've decided on an animation or effect, it's time to put it to the test. Utilize the Preview Site feature to see how the animation looks in a real-world scenario. This step is crucial as it allows you to assess whether the animation complements your overall design and if it enhances the user experience as you envisioned. And there you have it. That's all it takes to add animations to your site using Wix Studio. By following these simple steps, you can significantly enrich your site's appearance and engage your visitors effectively. So, go ahead and experiment with different animations to find the perfect style for your project. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy bringing your website to life.